One other note regarding square roots. Sometimes you're going to get a square root. You're going to solve for time, and you're going to square root to find time in this equation. It's very rare, but sometimes that happens. Sometimes you can use the quadratic to solve for time in this equation, because you got t and t squared, so you might have to use quadratic formula. Or if you're lucky enough to have this term drop out with a speed of 0, you'll find the square root. If you ever find the square root of time, if you have to find the square root to find time, you're going to get a plus and minus value. You're never going to use a negative value for time, obviously, because you cannot move backwards in time. So keep that in mind. I'm not showing you this example here, but later down the line. There's one more thing I wanted to mention. I remembered. The one other thing I want to make mention of, and it's not in any of these problems, so I'm going to get rid of all this. I get rid of all this, get rid of all this. I don't care if the problem is, if it's a final speed or initial speed. If ever the problem says that the object is moving and then comes to rest, if the object comes to rest, its final speed would be 0 meters a second. Or if the problem said that its starting speed was from rest, its initial speed would be 0. So I'm not going to show you any examples with that here, but in future examples, be careful of an object being at rest. Thank you.